Sharmila, first MSc Biochemistry. My topic is mode of action and physiological effects of cytokinin. Cytokinin. Definition of cytokinin. Cytokinin are a class of plants growth substances, phytohormones, that promote cell divisions or cytokinesis in plant roots and shoots. They are involved primarily in cell growth and differentiation. History. First, discovered by 1913 Gottlieb Abelard, 1941 Johannes van Overbeek, 1954 Jablonski and Spook. Presence of cytokinin is found in almost all higher plants as well as mosses, fungi, bacteria, algae, and diatrons. Mode of action. Cytokinin are 0.0121 mu m in plants. Cytokinin effects on translation but not on transcription. Cytokinin are involved in the regulation of all cell cycle. Physiological effect of cytokinin. Cell division, cell enlargement, initiation of intervesicular cambium, morphogenesis, counteraction of apical dominance, delay of senescence, Rich-Mount-Lang effect, accumulation and translation of solutes. Cell division, most important function. Varying amount of cytokinin along with axin is required for growth of callus in tissue culture experiment. True cell division factors. Morphogenesis. Axin interaction controls the morphogenetic differentiation of shoot and root meristem. Tobacco with callus tissue growth in high action and low cytokinin. High cytokinin and low action promotes the formation of shoot buds. Cell enlargement. This effect occurs in absence of axin, partly due to water uptake by cells and partly due to increased plasticity of cells. Tobacco with culture and tobacco roots. Initiation of interfascicular cambium. Kinetin can introduce formation of interfascicular cambium. Counteraction of apical dominance. External application promotes growth of lateral parts even if apical buds is intact. It breaks down democracy. Delay of senescence Rich-Mount-Lang effect. Phenomenon in which mature leaves lose chlorophyll, turn yellow, protein are degraded and ultimately shed from plants. Application of cytokinins delays senescence for a number of days. Reduce breakdown of chlorophyll.
Sharmila, ஒரே நிமிஷம் ஷர்மிளா, இட் இஸ்
Yes,
செனசென்ஸ். செனசென்ஸ்னா ஏஜிங்னு சொல்லுவாங்கம்மா. லீஃப்
ma'am.
வந்து ஏஜ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? எல்லோவா மாதிரி கீழே விழுந்துடும் இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
சோ அதுதான் அப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் சைட்டோகைனின். என்னன்னா சைட்டோகைனின் இருந்ததுன்னா செனசென்ஸ் தள்ளி போகும், அதாவது சீக்கிரமா ஏஜ் ஆகாது பிளான்ஸ் எல்லாம். அந்த பசுமை வந்து அப்படியே இருக்கும். ஓகே, சோ இப்போ நீங்க இந்த டிலே ஆஃப் செனசென்ஸ் ரிச்மாண்ட் லாங் எஃபெக்ட் அந்த ஸ்லைடு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து படிங்க.
Yes, ma'am. Delay of senescence Rich-Mount-Lang effect. Phenomenon in which mature leaves lost chlorophyll, turn yellow, protein are degraded and ultimately shed from plants. Application of cytokinins delay senescence for a number of days. Reduce breakdown of chlorophyll, protein and nucleic acid. Accumulation and translocation of solutes. Help solute translocation in phloem. During development, it helps phloem carry more nitrogen and other nutrients to required sites. Thank you.